Working on my 1948. I have not taken this out in several years. I'll put up some pictures there. I already started working on it. I'll show you the before pictures here. So got my son out here to help me clean it up, so he helped me clean it up so that I didn't take any video of anything earlier. So swapped out the old hood for the new one that I got at the Zagre Farm Museum. I put that on, cleaned it up a little bit, just had my son wipe it down, clean it. I switched out the Wico magneto that was on it for the Edison Splitdorf, which is right there, which has spark. I had made sure it had spark before I put it on. Just cleaned it up. Also got the handles that I've been making. I got those on. So those look good. I like that. I like the wood look on it. So what I'm going to do next at some point is I'm going to switch out these old handles. Maybe sand these down, but I'm going to use this as a template, make some new ones for the tractor when I can. I might bring this to a show this year. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. I'm going to try to go to the CAMA in Kent, Connecticut in September. Depends if I want to buy something or not, so whether or not I'll bring this. So, but just a quick update. That's it. This was my, I don't know if you guys remember, this is my first tractor that I kind of semi-rattle can restoration to it. Changed the rings on it ages ago. I've only run it a handful of times since I put new rings in and painted it, so it's in decent shape. But the one thing that kind of breaks my heart is I got these tires. I got them a lot, maybe 20 years ago now. But look at all the dry rot on it. But look at this. This is what breaks my heart. Look at this. You still have the rubber in between the treads, so that just goes to show you how much they've actually been used, which kind of bums me out. But look at that. Look at all that tire rots all over the place. But anyways, like I said, just a quick video, and hope you guys are enjoying the cooler weather. The hot weather's coming again this week. Talk to you later.